Hey everybody, we have 3 mystery packets. First, second and third, all from Amazon under Rs.200. Let's unbox it. Here is our first mystery box. Let's open. Okay, we got webcam cover, privacy protection. Let's try this. What? Okay, so we got 2 set. Let's try. Okay guys, so here is our laptop and let's try this webcam cover on this laptop. Okay, now let's see whether it is working or not. Let's open the camera. Okay, so guys, you can see it's working properly. You can close, it's up to you. It's properly closed right now. Now you can open again. Okay, so it is working properly guys. Give a thumbs up. Now second mystery box, very excited. Okay then, let's unbox it. Woohoo! What is this, everybody? ₹50 cut overacting. We got this product and it's looking somewhat like all-rounder pen. Very interesting. Let's try this. Okay, from front side it works like stylus. Let's try this. Wow, everybody, it's working very smoothly. Awesome. Let's try to find out second use. See, oh, okay. If you rotate this part, it comes out. Now you have your normal pen. Cool. Cool. Working very smoothly. Okay everybody, at the back side you will get compass. Be ready everyone with this pen if you're going for an adventure trip. Haha. Everybody with me. Fourth use. Okay, why the button is here everybody? Nothing happened. Oh, okay, so we have flashlight as well. Let's turn on. Cool. What an amazing pen. What I found is that the 6th use is in this part itself. You can use this part as a mobile stand. I will show you. Here is the part, here is the phone. You have to put it like that, and here is your mobile stand. If you shake like this, you will get to know that something is there inside the pen. Let's open it. What is this inside the pen? Ooh. We have 2-sided screwdriver. Oh my god. You're getting 6 benefits from a single pen under Rs.200. You can go for this pen. The link is in the description box. Dun ta-da! The last mystery packet. Let's unbox it. Ooh. Okay, so we got these 2 packets from a single mystery box. Very happy. Okay, we have cable protector packet having 10 pieces. Let's use it. Here is our cable. Let's protect it. Now it's protected everybody. Okay, so this is our last product and it is screen cleaning mist. Okay, with the help of this we can clean our smartphone, tablets, TV screen and camera lenses. Cool. Let's try this. As you can see, it cleaned the entire screen properly. It works very good. Nice. We are done with our 3 mystery packets. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Keep watching Money Tech. Till then, take care and bye bye.